obsessed. You're gonna see a lot of this. I don't give a fuck, because if I die or this thing gets hit, I need memories. We haven't done a driving video. I'm not gonna do a 0 to 60 because it's too fast and I'll kill myself. No. Okay. It peels out when I floor it. It's just that fast. It's just ridiculous. I don't want to wear these tires out because they're not that great. It was the only thing really bothersome or worrisome about the car so far. But pretty much I gotta get new tires. It's almost scary how fast it is. And I'm not just saying that because I like it. It is what it is. I've shown it to a lot of people, and they could vouch for it. I can't prove it on video right now because really there's too much traffic. I don't want to push it right now because this motor is a high mileage motor. I'm sure it'll handle it, but why risk it because my life depends on this car and I only just started my job. So if I do have a repairer to do, I'm not going to be able to afford it yet. So when I get a few $1,000s in my pocket and my motor is in really good shape, I'm going to go ahead and do a speed test on 78, blow everybody's minds. I've already got bets going on, and I feel sorry for those people because if this is doing 157 now, before I even rework the engine, what the fuck's gonna happen when I rework the engine? It's got brand new fucking head gaskets, brand new spark plugs and wires, brand new everything. What the fuck's gonna happen then? And brand new tires for grip, because at those speeds it is dangerous and you do feel like you're gonna lose control. You know, this is meant to go up to a 147. I got her up to 157. So this is beyond the natural limits of this car, and I know that nothing was done as far as stabilization. Everything there is stock. Alright, it doesn't have a special suspension or anything like that, and therefore it shouldn't be going over 147 miles an hour. So, that's the plan. This is the greatest thing I've ever spent money on. I feel good that I did it. I don't miss the van, and I'm very happy. Very pleased. So, that's the story. Now, to me, this is a very sentimental moment because this is the first car I've ever bought being single, doing it by myself with no help. You know, I've got my family though, but this is something I worked for very hard. I wonder what Craig would think of that. A little GTI. So that's the story. Man, I can't, like, get out of this thing, dude. I mean, I'm, like, just so at home in this cockpit. I love it. There's 5 seconds left, so I'm going to say goodbye.